Hi guys, my name is Antonio. So in this video, we will be talking about seams. So let's go to the tutorial.
Let's talk about the Seams tool. When you click on it, a menu appears at the bottom with two options: 90 degrees and 2 points. 90 degrees lets you create straight seams and precise 90-degree cuts. 2 points allows you to make 45-degree cuts by connecting one vertex to another across your project. One important note: the Seams tool is designed to be used in the Sketch tab. Seams can also be applied to materials, for example, when choosing slabs for your projects. Just click the scissor icon in the Materials menu to activate it. Now, back in the Sketch tab, let me show you how the 90-degree seams work. As you move the mouse over your countertop, the yellow seams guide will appear. Whenever you use seams, whether 90 degrees or 2 points, this yellow seams guide will appear to help you align the cuts. This makes it much easier to create straight seams or precise 90-degree cuts. With the 90-degree option, you can cut horizontally, vertically, or in any direction that a 90-degree seam allows. And finally, you can use the pointer tool if you'd like to resize your seams later on. With the 2 points option selected, you'll work with the vertices of your shape. I'll take this vertex at the bottom of the countertop and connect it with the parallel vertex at the top. Click the first point, drag to the second, and the yellow guide will appear. Then click on the other point to connect them. It can make straight cuts too, though not as precise as the 90-degree seam. All the vertices are connected, forming a 45-degree angle. You can also add more vertices with splits to connect additional points. Alright, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next tutorial.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.